Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So, today let's learn SQL with DivK Learner. So, let's get started. Our today's agenda is to know about what is where clause and how do we use it in SQL. So, let's move further. Where clause in SQL is used to retrieve the filtered record from the table, or we can say sometimes we have a requirement where we have to retrieve the data according to the specific conditions or as per the requirement of the customer or the client. So in that case we have to pass the conditions while writing the queries. So we use where clause for writing the queries for so that we can retrieve the particular or specific data or the filtered data according to the requirements or the conditions. We can also retrieve more than one table's record from using the where clause. Where, where clause is where clause is not only used with the select statement, we can use it with many other statements available in SQL like update and delete. So let's see the syntax of where clause. So in this syntax, here you can see I am using the select statement with the where clause, and select statement here with the select statement you can write down either asterisk sign if you have a requirement that you want to retrieve the all the columns, and if you don't want to retrieve or don't want to show all the columns of a table, you can go for column names. So here you can see I am using column 1 and column 2, which will specify that I want to show two columns, column 1 and column 2. From table name, you have to specify the name of the table from which you want to retrieve the data. Where clause I am using, and here I have to pass the condition. So let's move quickly to the MS SQL. Here in this example I will use my table employee, which I have already created with you in one of my video. Whenever you want to see all the data of the table, we use the select statement with the asterisk sign. So let's run this query. So this table is already having 6 rows in it. So this time what I have done by using this query, I have retrieved all the data from this table employee. But now I have a requirement that I want to retrieve the data as per some conditions. That condition can be, let's say I want to retrieve the data who's of those employees who is working in development department. So for that, select star from employee where emp department is equals to development. Let's run this query and see the output. So 2 employee ID 2 is working in the development department. One second. Actually, there are two people working in the development team, but just because of the spelling mistakes, it's not showing the data of the Radhika. Radhika is also working in development team. Otherwise, the Radhika is also a part of this query output. So let's say change this query, and I want to see all the employees whose age is greater than or equals to 30. So age is greater than 30. So there are two records who is fulfilling the condition given in the query. So like this we can use where clause in SQL. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you learned something from our videos. Thank you. Bye.